Growing your business on TikTok is no longer optional, it's one of the most powerful ways to increase visibility, build brand trust, and convert viewers into loyal customers. TikTok has transformed from a fun, entertainment-only platform into a massive business engine where brands of every size can go viral overnight. The beauty of TikTok is that you don't need a huge budget, expensive cameras, or long editing sessions. What you truly need is creativity, consistency, and a clear understanding of how the platform works. To grow your business effectively, the first step is understanding the TikTok algorithm. The algorithm pushes content based on engagement, not follower count, meaning even a new account can reach thousands or millions of people if the video captures attention in the first few seconds. So, your hook matters more than anything else. Start every video with a strong, curiosity-driven line such as, "Most people don't know this," or, "Here's a secret about my business," because these types of hooks force people to stop scrolling. The algorithm also loves videos that are watched till the end, rewatched, or shared, so crafting content that keeps viewers engaged is essential. Next, focus on creating authentic, relatable content instead of overly polished promotional videos. TikTok users prefer real over perfect. They want behind-the-scenes clips, packaging orders, day-in-the-life videos, tutorials, and honest experiences about running your business. Show the journey, not just the final product. If you are a small business, show how you make products, your workspace, or customer reactions. If you offer a service, show the process, results, transformations, or quick tips. The more human your brand feels, the faster your audience will connect with you. Businesses that grow the fastest on TikTok are the ones that show personality instead of acting like traditional corporate accounts. Use your voice, your story, and your style. It builds emotional trust. Another important part of TikTok growth is following trends, but doing them correctly. Trends include audios, challenges, memes, and visual styles that become viral for a short period. When you jump on a trend early, your reach increases dramatically because TikTok pushes trending content more. However, don't blindly copy trends, adapt them to your niche. For example, if a trending audio is funny or dramatic, use it to highlight a business struggle, customer expectations versus reality, or a common mistake in your industry. This keeps your content relevant while still aligning with your business. Consistency is also key. Posting daily or at least 4 to 5 times a week drastically boosts your visibility. TikTok rewards active creators. You don't need each video to be perfect. The more content you produce, the more chances you give the algorithm to push your videos. Many creators post 2 to 3 times a day because each post is a new opportunity to get discovered. Hashtags also play a role, but not in the old traditional way. Instead of using 20 hashtags, TikTok works best with 3 to 5 targeted ones. Mix trending hashtags with niche-specific ones. For example, hashtag small business, #business101, hashtag entrepreneur, hashtag for you. But don't rely only on hashtags. Focus mainly on strong content. TikTok's search engine has also become powerful, so using keywords in your video caption and spoken audio helps your video appear in search results. For example, if your video teaches how to grow a small business, say that phrase verbally and write it in the caption. TikTok will index it and show your video to people searching for that topic.